Excuse me. So as some of you may know, last video I said I wanted to do the dupe for the sugar cookie latte from Starbucks, but they didn't have it for me to taste, and I didn't want to do the dupe without knowing what the real one tasted like, because that would not verify the dupe. But I finally got it, and they convinced me to get the big one because they're like, the venti is only 20 cents more. But I totally forgot that my cup holders are not very accommodating for big drinks, and like my last one like flipped over because it just doesn't hold it, you see. So I have to watch that while I'm driving. So my tablet finally came, so I'll go ahead and unbox it for you guys really quickly because the light is about to go away. I had looked over and I seen him. Right, I know. He spoke to me, but I'm glad he ain't know who I was. So this is kind of like what I was telling you. I see right when you open the thing, there's like a book cover. So that's really cool. Twilight meets ancient aliens with the sizzle of 50 Shades. So like, I'm not gonna read that obviously, even though Twilight meets aliens sounds really cool. The 50 Shades is something I'm not going to be reading. But like, look at this cover. It's like so cute. I like it, and I kind of like how the cover looks, the book cover looks on a tablet of this size. So that's cool. And you know, my book covers are gonna show up if I take like flat lays on Instagram and everything. So I have no idea if it's actually 39 degrees outside. It doesn't feel cold, but whatever. I see they have Microsoft Office. Like, I tried this when it first came out, and I lost some writing because it glitched. So that's why I just don't use Microsoft Office, even though it probably would be like really good to use. Now I don't suspect they'd have any glitches, but you know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And I really like Google Docs, so I'm just gonna download Google Docs. So I'm just trying to pair my Bluetooth keyboard with the tablet. It went off. And so hopefully it can find it. As soon as I can get this paired, then I could write. I had to type these, I had to handwrite these to make it easier for the typing session that I'm filming. But as soon as I get this paired, then I could just type and sip my Greek Frappuccino for you guys. I might light another candle. This one is burned all the way down. It's fir scented, holiday fir sugar paper brand that I got last year, I think, and it smells so good. So I just kept it burning. And now it's all done. This stand is, I need a bigger one. It's great for holding the phone. It's a business card holder, but it's actually great for holding the phone, but I do need a bigger one for the tablet. But yeah. So the Ajaz Bluetooth keyboard is finally connected. I had to remember because I forgot that I did have to connect this, especially the last time I had to search YouTube to see how to connect it when I first got the keyboard, and that's what I had to do now. So thank you MKV for your video tutorial on how to connect this.